hot new winning product in 2022, a men's luxury bracelet, guys. So I have some exciting data to show you on how you can find a winning product, build a winning brand, and how you can do it right now. So if you guys are interested, if you guys like this kind of stuff, make sure to like this video and subscribe, and I'll go ahead and share with you the secret information that you're gonna discover on the other side, which is what are the main things to look for so you don't fail, guys. One of the main things that people do is they get started and they grow just as fast as they fail, and that is what I want to prevent, guys. So let's go ahead and let's make this happen. Definitely like and comment below. Thank you.
All right, guys, this is one of the main things that I look at when I'm looking at products. It's right here. It's got to be 4 stars and up, free shipping, and then you got to make sure you click on United States, guys. Then when you start going down the list, you're looking at the products that's got 4.8, 5 stars. You're looking for it to be here multiple times, guys. And you're going to see this product here a lot of times. It's a beautiful bracelet. It passes all my tests when it comes to, like, you know, how cool it is, and they just got all these different variations. So if you look at that variation here, it's a little bit different than this one. This one's got like some different porcelain zircon in there, and this one's got like a Christian little vibe to it with some diamond vibe to it. And if you look over here, I got this data, guys, and the data shows it's going up, it's going viral. And there's so many different variations, and these just dropped. It's like a Roman blue one. Amazing, guys. This is a niche. This is brand new niche, and you can build an amazing brand around this. And I could help you guys build that brand, come up with a name, come up with an idea. Similar to how Movement Watches built their brand. Movement Watches, a really cool brand, guys. So this is what I look for when I'm on AliExpress. Take a look, guys. 4.5, free shipping in the United States.